everyone, it's Shreeya here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing the unboxing video of iPad Pro 2020 11-inch 1 TB. I'm super excited to unbox this, and also let me tell you that I brought this from my nearest Apple authorized seller. And if you want to buy this product, I'll be linking it in the description box below. Do check it out. I swear Apple has the best packaging. Here are the details of my iPad Pro 11-inch. It's of second generation, Wi-Fi only, and has 1 TB of storage. I watched tons of iPad unboxing videos, and recollecting everyone's thoughts, I present you the final message that it's literally difficult to unbox any Apple product. Trying my best to handle it carefully. I'm so happy that my dad gifted me this, and you know that I cannot express any of my emotions through YouTube, but just guys, just support. I can't help but just touch it like frequently. Apple provides its precious booklet to all of its customers with some pretty exciting things inside it. First, it has this, which has the name of the product, and then all the manuals about how to use it and all the features of the iPad Pro. Then it gives this thin paper which has again all the specifications about the iPad, and inside it I have these Apple stickers which are provided in the box. Hey, if you want to purchase this iPad, every price has been noted down in my description box to check. These are the pretty power adapters, so-called chargers or feeders. I guess the lighting in the room is higher, so sorry for that. Finally starting. Since I brought this iPad from my nearest store, so I have already done all the login and set up credentials of opening the iPad, so I'm not showing these setup options, and I'm directly jumping into the opening part. Okay, so I have kept a really easy password to help myself during the unboxing video, and the password goes like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Finally, it has opened. There will be some options in front of you that you need to choose OK or not now, and then there are some super essential apps like YouTube, Chrome, Google and other social media apps that you need to download. You can get it from the App Store by logging in. It's a long process, but you need to jot down whatever information you're using. Also, Apple gives you a 1-year free trial for the Apple TV. There are the books and podcast apps which you can use freely for some specific things. This is the camera. This camera is super clear. Sorry for the video clarity, but this camera has got some super powerful options in it. You can do the panorama, shots, and many other things. This device has got some super essential editing features in it. You can edit any photo in it, and it has almost everything that you need while editing: brightness, contrast, adjust, and everything. Thank you guys for patiently watching the video. There are so many specifications of this device and more iPad videos coming soon on this channel. Thank you for watching. Finally, so this is the end of my video. Do comment down which type of videos do you want more. Since this is my first video, do support me.